Oh,
Back up.
hold.
Back up.
Back up.
Hold on.
Back up.
Holy fuck, that's
No.
We're not
no,
catching
no.
it. No.
No,
Catch
Nate.
it, don't catch it, don't catch it.
Dude, settle down.
Nate, leave it. It's not worth it.
good. Holy
We can
shit.
cook that.
Dude.
That was closest
Nate.
to me. I don't want to fucking crawl
I've
my
caught.
thing.
Hold on.
You caught rattlers?
You're good.
You better just get your shotgun.
First, don't.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop it. It's not. They don't have like a 12-foot striking range.
Are you
What is
sure?
it? 3
Yes,
foot?
It's like 2 feet. No, it's not even.
I've never seen a rattler in real
Yeah.
life. And not in.
Dude, it was right here. Did you hear it?
Yeah,
I heard
thought
it.
was.
I thought Jamie was walking up and he was just like,
I knew it was a rattlesnake when I heard
I
it.
thought it was you making the noise.
Nah.
I thought you were deflating this.
No,
We have a big stick up here.
That thing is.
Dude.
that's a big fucking.
Oh, I see its tail. It's going up in the. It's climbing the hill.
Red. No, I'm putting it away.
No, I lost it now.
You can see them.
I see the
Well, we'll just get Jamie to walk.
leaves
You can't.
moving.
You can't really kill them.
They're illegal.
Watch.
Rattlesnakes?
I can't believe you didn't see that.
Where'd he go?
Up to the right of the tree. See the the ferns moving?
wiggling?
Yeah, I see him. Find a. Do we have like a live? Bring Go ahead, bring your pistol.
Wait, what? Bring it?
Yeah. Yeah, right there it is.
Is it down? Like it's not within like striking distance. It's down the hill.
No, he's 10 feet below me. You can see him. He's good. Look right there on the stick. See him? Right here. Down about 10 feet.
yeah.
That's his head. Don't hit his head. Try to hit him in the back. One shot. Okay. Guys, it's gonna be loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Is anybody coming down? I don't want to.
No.
Alright, now.
Settle, he's moving. You get it?
Shoot him again. Take your time. Don't hit his head. What the fuck?
You move it all?
That's in his jet.
Okay.
There, pull it out. Yeah, I
No.
did.
It's out. It's out. It's out.
Huh.
He's right there.
Watch ricochet.
Take your time.
Why does he keep jamming?
Oh no.
I've never shot these bullets.
Oh, watch.
Yeah, both times it jumped. But
It looked like you hit it.
Alright, keep an eye over on that right side. He has to go down to the rocks.
You still see him, or is he?
Yeah,
He's fluttering right over there.
Yeah.
You can see the. No, I think you hit him.
I hit him both times.
I was
He
gonna say, it
jumped.
looked like you
Yeah.
hit-
that's that county training there, Nate.
Why was that jamming?
Yeah, I've never shot these. I don't.
his body. Take your time.
I hear it. I think you got it.
Yeah, that might be a death.
Yeah, that's a death rattle.
Yeah, nerves.
Is that what they do when they?
Well, it's just anything. You probably brained it, or you got it in its spine.
Just nerves. And
I mean, just don't eject the bullet that's in it that's live.
So who's going to go get it?
I'll go get him.
I'll go get him.
Dude, we could cook.
Hey, good shot with that, yeah.
Yeah,
Good
buddy.
shot.
That's how you do it without your ear pro on.
Yeah, he's not moving now.
Yeah.
Well,
I would walk it back. Don't
approach from a
eject the bullet
distance
out.
with a.
That's the way to get down there.
Side?
No, well, this in this.
Oh, calm down, guys.
I know, we're just excited.
Keep your cool.
He's.
Oh, he's
Okay,
freaking back.
it's coming out toward the water.
going
Toward the water.
underneath.
He's going toward the water.
Hey, just good communication here.
I see him.
You know, while he does all that rap,
I mean, he's fucked
I
up.
can see the one bullet.
Yeah, if you can just get his head, then we'll end it.
I was
Or
gonna
do you want me to shoot?
Like if you pin it down.
No, I don't want to hit his head.
No,
pin it down and we'll just get a close shot.
If you pin him down, or you just get
But
the
here's the
hatchet or
thing.
something.
Bruce's second shot, it jumped up pretty good. And my second shot, I feel like,
Jamie
Let me see
can.
what it does here.
Yeah, Jamie can toss you the hatchet, and you can just end it.
no, he wants to take pictures of it.
No,
Yeah,
back
Oh,
off.
well,
Back.
it's all blown apart. We hit it like 3 times. Dude, its stomach's all ripped open.
it is.
Yeah, back off, guys. Take
Dude, we hit that 3 or 4 times.
still fuck you up.
your time.
Don't shoot it.
It's going back
There's his
uphill.
head right
Bruce,
there.
it's coming back towards you.
Coming back.
It's still under the tree.
It's coming toward us.
Okay.
They're probably pretty.
There it is. There it is. Your stick's close to it.
Got its head?
Its
head. Yeah,
head's
that's its
coming
head.
at you.
There's its head.
You want me to shoot the head?
No.
No.
Yeah,
You want the,
the body's right.
shoot behind the head. Try. You see the head swiveling?
Move this, don't.
Hold
move,
on.
don't.
Hold on.
Back up some. It's starting to inch up towards you.
Yeah.
Dude,
Careful, guys.
one more of those bullets are gonna.
And that's bark. No,
One more of those bullets is gonna friggin' tear through that body.
Okay, it's
That looked hit.
It was. It keeps jumping around.
Yeah, they're probably pretty.
Dude, it's got literally 4 bullets through it.
calm down. Take your time.
Easy.
Easy. Just
Maybe
wait.
2 though. It's pretty ripped in half.
No,
Yeah, its
Brett,
guts
there's,
are hanging
there's,
out. It is.
Every time it turns, you can see guts in different.
I know we hit it. I know we hit it 3 times
Just-
easy.
Just wait on it.
We eating snake tonight.
Snake
Swamp
packets.
people or us. Watch this other thing. I'll
Let
bite
me
my
step
neck.
by you. Let me step by you.
Yeah, calm down.
I'd say come around this side, but you can't see.
No, they got a good view of it down there.
Yeah, Brad, we can.
I know.
It's still there. You see it laying? You want up? I mean, yeah, he's right. I'm just keeping an eye.
We're gonna have to find out the slug, see who hit it first. No, I'm kidding.
Probably all hit it.
Yeah, don't keep your gun.
Dude, I'm pointing it down at the ground. Gun safety. That's just in case another one comes up to log at you super quick.
Should have let
Do you-
Jamie shoot
do you have-
because he was on fire last night.
Do you see it?
Yeah, right.
No,
Jamie would.
Pew pew.
I'm good.
Do you see it?
Yeah, he's right.
Okay.
No, he just had the
You hear his
body.
rattle?
No.
It's losing. A
Listen,
lot. Look at
listen.
it.
Listen.
There. Yeah.
It's moving like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude,
Is it-
its guts are
It's
hanging.
not really striking at this either. So.
Do you want the hatchet?
No.
You just cut its head off?
Nah, because I'm not gonna get that close to it.
Okay. Toss it toward the water.
See guts hanging
Yeah.
If you toss it toward the water there, you have some more.
If I
No, go up.
You have some more openings to the left.
toss it up that way,
It's too.
Stop tossing it this way.
Found it.
that way.
I was gonna say, well,
I told.
Tracked it down.
Well, I told Nathan it probably came down here towards the rocks.
He tracked it down.
we can pick it up if you're shooting.
We can like get you a bucket or something.
Yeah, you want a bin or bucket?
Get the bread bucket.
Yeah, because shooting it 4 times.
It's still there. I see it. It's not. Its head's moving.
Yeah, it's pretty fucked up.
You just threw it at a tree after it's been shot 4 times. How would
Oh
you
wait,
feel?
oh, see its guts.
Its
Okay.
guts are kind of moving there. I feel better that it's dead though.
Yeah.
That's a,
Yeah.
I feel a lot better that it's dead. One of us would have stepped. out
That's
of
the
hand.
baby snake.
You're welcome.
It's they'll.
It's still moving?
Videos that they.
Yeah,
What
they'll
was it? Was it a rattlesnake? They cut the head off,
they'll still bite you.
and it bit another snake.
And
They
it's
crawled
clamped
by
on
it.
or
It was
something.
just the head.
Yeah, they keep
Yeah.
going. The muscles are still contracting and stuff. We'll listen for other rattles.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, its
Yeah,
guts are
he's-
bright orange and yellow. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh?
All right, I'll.
Yeah, launch it up towards this
Yeah.
opening.
To the right. Up to the right.
Like on Jamie's, like towards Jamie's 12.
Got it.
That thing's heavy.
It's thumping like my dick when I pull it out.
Yeah, what's me?
All right, keep your distance, guys.
I'm prepared.
Oh, sorry, I cut you off.
Here, bring it this way. Oh,
No, we'll go that way.
why don't you just bring it on this opening for a little bit?
Yeah, why don't we finish it off here in the opening?
Oh, 3 foot.
Hey, Jamie, we just got
Hey,
dinner,
watch,
bro.
watch your trail though. Just in,
It's not gonna do anything.
It's
that's
true.
it.
Do it again.
That's good.
No, it was a good hit.
All right, keep the head away.
Oh, yeah.
Shit.
Oh, look, he's
Get his mouth. Hold on, let me turn it.
Son of a bitch.
tough motherfucker. Hey, look at this guy.
Look, there's a bullet. Was a clean shot here.
No, that's
There's one here too.
It's still moving. Look at it, still moving.
I think that was one of my hollow points.
scared the shit out of me.
Because I was aiming at the
No,
back
that was
end.
my first hit. The one that hit the tail end, or my second hit.
Crazy.
Because these are
Oh
2
my
shots
God.
right here. 1, 2, 3.
4.
It looks like 4.
4. I shot it.
You want me to
three-
turn it?
Look at that. It's just.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Are we really cooking it?
Yeah.
It's weird. Touch it. It's
I know, it's dead.
It's scary.
No, but look, it's been hit a few times.
Yeah, you can
Look.
see several.
It was.
I
hit
want
a-
to see. Can you
That
flip it
one.
over? On the
This one broke its back. It looks like.
Yeah.
This one
Yeah,
here
look, feel
went
that
through.
back. Look.
This one broke its back. This one blew out its guts, and this one went through some muscle.
I think Jamie killed it.
Jamie wins. It's not.
Look how old it is. Doesn't the rattle?
and these aren't. They're not heavy. It is fucking weird.
That's so
It's
weird.
just weird. Look how beat up this freaking thing looks. Well, I feel better. It's dead.
He wants to play nails.
Wes is gonna be so jealous.
Look at it.
Oh.
Oh, it's sending signals to
still
its
feel
rattle.
Look, he's dancing.
Let's see if you want to see if you get the teeth out.
Oh.
Yeah, usually you do it.
Wait.
I want to see the bone.
You
Let's
gotta
try to
roll
get
it. You gotta roll it.
And then
it just
you, like,
fucking broke
push.
and it was still shot.
Oh, don't.
I'm eating rattlesnake
Jamie.
tonight.
Jamie,
That's a
there you go.
delicacy. What is that?
His
Snapped
tail
its
broke
rattle
off.
off.
Oh, seriously?
Oh, there goes its
No,
tank.
you want to cut it.
No, it,
It
broke.
broke. It
I was
broke
holding
off.
him. I picked it up and it broke.
Well, we got 2 rattlers.
Well, we'll keep them together.
I want to see the feet.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Wait.
Hey.
Ooh.
it
Wait,
is.
hold on, do it
They're
again.
not coming out.
There it is.
No, they're gonna
They
come
coming
out.
out?
There, it's working there. Oh,
Oh, there it is. I see him.
Wait, let's see.
you have to get something. Get a bigger, get that harder stick behind you. I was using a. No, get that.
There it is.
Shit.
There.
Man, look at that. That would hurt.
They're not.
Oh, we don't want to lose that. I'm sure we don't have. Oh, I'm sure we have.
We should just do what we did last week.
You think he's got a bone? Oh, that's its spine. Get
You would
the
step
blade
that
on
too,
it.
You might have to.
Get the blade on
No,
it.
just
Is what I meant, because it'll almost adds. Here, like that.
You have a point.
Like that?
Yeah, but not
no,
into
like
it.
this.
Alright, so
Yeah, like this, because it's gonna add.
but it's gonna slide. Get closer to it.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay.
We just need something.
Well,
to hold it.
try everything. Be careful.
Oh yeah.
I mean, because we're like snake
Oh, hold on a
try to
second.
go down
Skinny
here.
experts.
Yeah, I'm gonna
There's
up a little bit.
its guts are hanging out.
Yeah, it's stopping me right now.
This would be the perfect sock.
Snake socks.
Yeah.
Coming to Carthus, 2019.
You want to cut
Benton's.
it? Yeah.
Yeah, cut it right there.
Dude, I feel like this
axe
needs.
it?
Dude,
Oh,
every
you
one
want
of
to
these
cut it? I
spots
was
has
just gonna
had
keep
something
going
different.
now. I
about
just wanted to
it.
get that out.
It's
Yeah.
almost like we gotta rename stuff.
My butthole never puckered so hard when I heard the sound of a rattler.
Yeah, that was a weird sound.
I knew right away it was a rattlesnake.
All right, hold. Let's cut it.
There it is. There it is.
Yes.
It looks like my used condom.
That's funny.
Oh,
It's recording.
shit.
I'm just gonna.
No, we could just cut it.
Nice golden brown.
Yeah, I know you're not gonna go home and put all these on, send us all these messages, but snake ones are cool.
It's so crazy. This thing was just crawling around on the ground a little bit ago. Now we're frying it up.